Python has multiple data types and data structures that you can use to store and manipulate data efficiently. Some of them are included in the Python Collections module. In this video, we will discuss the Python data type from the Collections module called deque. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're diving into one of Python's most efficient and flexible data structures, the Collections deque class. If you've ever worked with lists and needed faster performance for adding or removing items from both ends, deque is exactly what you're looking for. Let's take a closer look. Deque stands for double-ended queue. It's a data structure from Python's Collections module that allows you to add or remove items from both ends efficiently. It behaves like a list, but is optimized for fast appends and pops from either end. Unlike Python lists, which are built on dynamic arrays, a deque is implemented as a doubly linked list. That's why operations at either end, like append left or pop left, are constant time operations, even for large collections. With lists, popping or inserting at the front is slower because it involves shifting all the elements. With deque, it's instant. Use deque when you need to add or remove items from both ends frequently. When you're implementing queues, stacks, or sliding windows. When you care about performance when working with large sequences. It's perfect for task queues, history buffers, or even real-time data streams. Here are some key things to know about deque. Deque supports most list-like operations such as append, pop, indexing, etc. It adds append left and pop left for fast operations on the left end. You can set maximum length with max len, useful for fixed-sized buffers. It's thread-safe, making it great for multi-threaded programs. And it's part of the Collections module, so no installation is needed. Let's take a look at some hands-on examples using deque. To create a deque, you can provide a list as input to the deque constructor. Here we create a deque called deque. It's very easy and quick to add an element to the front or back of the deque. Here we use append to add element D to the deque. Notice that append adds the element to the back of the deque. We also use append left to add the element Z. In this case, the method adds the element to the front of the deque. We can remove elements from either end of the deque. As you can see here, use pop method to remove the last element of the deque. Likewise, use pop left to remove the first element in the deque. You can create fixed-size deques. This means that the deque will always maintain the same number of elements by removing the oldest element, usually the first, whenever a new element is added. Here we see a deque of size 3 created. As we add elements, the first 3 are added to the deque. When the fourth element is added, the size 3 is maintained by removing the first added element from the deque. Sometimes you want to reverse the order of the deque. As we see here, that's easy enough with the rotate method. With just a few methods, deque becomes a powerful alternative to lists when performance matters. So that's your quick intro into Python's Collections deque. It's fast, flexible, and perfect for when you need to work from both ends of a sequence, like in queues, stacks, or real-time systems. If you learned something new, hit the like button, subscribe for more Python tips, and let us know in the comments if you've used deque in one of your projects. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy coding!